Hello, welcome to our channel NetLice. So, today's topic of study will be 3 levels of social network analysis. So, let us begin with a recap of what is social network analysis. Social network analysis is the study of how individual or nodes are connected through relationships called as edges and nodes. So, in this diagram, here represented by a red line is an edge connecting two of the nodes. This is a simple social networking diagram. Begin with, there are 3 levels of social network analysis. Namely, first, ego level or also known as micro level analysis. Ego level analysis focuses on a single person, the ego, and their direct connection or alters. For example, a student's immediate circle of friends. We study things like degree, closeness, and betweenness to measure how influential or well connected someone is. So, in this diagram, a student named Alex, representing A, is working on a group project. His teammates include B. Ben, D. David, C. Clara, and E. Emma. Node A is an ego, whereas B, C, D, E are his alters. Alex connections are 4: Clara, Ben, David, and Emma, where Alex is a bridge between people who don't know each other. For example, Clara and David has a bridge Alex. Also, Alex is a bridge between Ben and Emma. This also reveals how quickly Alex can reach anyone in his network. If Alex is a central in coordinating the team or isolated. The second level of analysis is group level analysis, also known as meso level analysis. Group level analysis looks at the subgroups or cliches within a network. It identifies coherences, brokerage level, and how group collaborates. Think of it of two project groups in a company connected by one team leader. If that leader leaves, communication may break down. Look at this following diagram where there are two groups, group 1 and group 2. Group 1 has members A, B and C, whereas group 2 has members D, E and F, and they are connected via a mutual network denoted by G. G acts as a broker between the two groups. Within groups, nodes are well connected, but only G connects the two groups. For example, in a real-life perspective, in a company, Team Alpha has members A, B and C working on a design. Team Beta has members D, E and F, which handles marketing. Grace, for example, is a team leader working with both teams and connects them. So what can be the characters of these groups? Tight internal connections, collaborations within the team, whereas G acts as a boundary spanner who helps share knowledge between the two departments. What can be the risk? If G leaves, the two teams may become isolated. The third level of analysis would be network level analysis, also known as macro level analysis. Macro level analysis studies the entire network. It explores the pattern like density, average path length, and centralization. This helps us understand the big picture and how efficient or resilient the system is. In this diagram, A is connected to B, B is connected to C, C is connected to D, D connecting to F, E connecting to F, and F connecting to A. This serves as a whole network. The whole network is considered. Connections among all nodes are analyzed. Key measures are density, centralization, and diameter. For example, in an organization-wide email network, each node is an employee and an edge indicates frequent communications between them. Whether the network is dense, if there are central figures, for example, team leader or manager, how resilient the organization is to the loss of key members. If everyone mainly communicates via one manager, That's high centralization and a potential point of failure. So this is how we cover all three levels of social network analysis. Let us recap all the three levels. Ego level, star like a pattern around one node. Real life example, a student's personal network. Group level, two clusters connected by one or two nodes. Two departments with a broker. Network level, web of connections across all nodes. Entire company's connections structure. There are fun facts connected to the three levels of social network analysis. There are, on an average, you are 3.5 steps away from another user of Instagram or Facebook globally. Epidemiologists use SNA to model how infections spread, such as during COVID-19, where each infected person is a node and the transmission is an edge. Third, scientists have used SNA to study spider colonies, mapping which spider interacts the most and who acts as a leader. So here we cover the topic of three levels of social network analysis. We'll meet you with the next topic soon. Thank you.